Hi guys, how are you today? It is so good to have you back on this channel, and today we are just making shampoo. Have you noticed the way my barber just decided this time to just go all out? Guys, when I left the barber, I felt like I was going to join the army. I mean, you guys just look. As in me, I just told him trim kidogo and anyway. Despite this, guys, I still need shampoo for my hair, and not just for mine but even for my daughter's hair, because my daughter has hair for herself and for all the neighbors. Okay, she has long hair and it's like massive, it's big, it's like this much, so it really uses a lot of shampoo and all that to just keep washing it and everything. And I've decided a long time ago, even way before I cut my hair, that I will not be going to the salon to wash my hair, you guys. We are saving money. And I will not be going to the salon to wash my hair. And back then, I never used to go to the salon for blow dries. I realized it's cheaper to literally buy my own blow dry, do my own whatever in the hair. And do my own hair in the home. And even for my daughter, we don't go to the salon anymore. We used to have a lady who would come and make her hair at home because it's like way cheaper. That was before COVID, so now she can't come, so I'm doing my daughter's hair. So yeah, it's been a journey, and I've learned skills during COVID, which includes making hair. So anywho, today we are learning about how to make shampoo at home. So unajua ukienda kwa salon ya mtaani, wacha zile tunasikianga. Salon ya mse kama mimi na wewe. The shampoo that they use is the kind that I'm going to show you how to make today in this video. So I'm really excited because on this channel we are learning how to prioritize, how to organize, and how to save money at home. So yeah, let's do it, guys. So first and foremost, safety. You guys, I'm really upping my game. I hope you guys are noticing. I'm really upping my game. So safety. I've got my gloves here because we need to be safe. I used to make it without gloves and all that, but I just need to set a good example for you guys. If you don't have gloves, no pressure, nothing. For me, nothing happened. So yeah. So your ingredients, guys, will come looking just like this. This pack makes you 5 liters of shampoo, and it's going to cost you 180 Kenya shillings. All right, just 180 Kenya shillings for 5 liters. So we are going to open. And this formula is very similar to the one we used for making the liquid detergent. Okay, it's actually very similar, only that now they have ingredients suited for making for washing hair. All right, so if you haven't watched that video, you might as well have a look at it, and you can see it's actually quite similar. So again, as usual, remember they will write for you the numbers so that it's easier to know which is which. All right, so you put all the number ones together, and we have number 2 and number 3. Okay, number 2 is the color, number 3 is the perfume. So what we will do is we will take the number ones, all of them, and put them in your basin. Guys, this is so easy. As I always tell you guys, you will not believe how much money you're going to save, and how easy it is, and how much money you've been spending. And especially if you have a salon and you've been buying these things, well, now you know you can make for yourself. Guys, the reason why I cut my hair is literally for time management. It reached a point when I had zero time for sitting down and having someone should cut my hair for 2 hours. I was so busy with the kids, with work, with the house and everything, and it just reached a point, it was like breaking point. I was like, you know what, I don't care how it's going to look, I can't afford to have this time So yeah, and down the hair went, and thankfully God is merciful. I did not look half as bad as I feared. Also my husband tells me, and many other people. So yeah, if you're looking for a way to manage your time, you might consider, or at least even if you won't cut your hair, I'm not telling you guys to cut your hair, but I'm just saying you can get a hairstyle that's easier to maintain so that you don't spend so much time in the salon. That is if you have a time management, if you're looking to have more time in your day. Just ignore me guys, I'm rambling. But anywho, back to the shampoo. So my number one ingredients are here. I'm mixing. Make sure they're thoroughly mixed together as always. Remember, we have special ingredients for this, okay? I mean, we have special tools and ingredients, but tools as well. So this is that Kabucho that you guys, I know by now you can recognize it. It's the one I use to mix all of these things. And guys, make sure as you're making this, the liquid soap, the hand wash, the what, and you put them in bottles, please make sure you label them so that you don't end up using your disinfectant to wash your hair or some such mishap, okay? And if you can, get different colors for each one of them so you don't have things, because those guys have many colors at the shop. Make sure you get different colors for each one. All right, so my number one ingredients are well mixed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 2 liters of water, which I had already measured out into my jug, and then I will mix. Make sure everything is mixed in. As you can see, it's getting thicker by the minute. Okay, the more you mix, the thicker it becomes. So make sure everything is thoroughly mixed in, guys. Take your time. At the end of the day, it will only take you like 10 minutes for the whole process. But you want to do a good job, so make sure everything is mixed in before you add the next ingredient. Alright guys, so it's thoroughly mixed in. So now I'm going to put in the rest of the water. We had already put in 2 liters, so we want to put in 3 more. 1 liter at a time, okay? And guys, please note I had already measured this water before. At the end of the day, you need your mixture to be 5 liters, okay? So when your 1 liter is thoroughly mixed in, add in the second one. Mix it in. You can see how nice and thick it is. And then put in the last of your water. To make a total of 5 liters. So we're done with mixing in the 5 liters of water. I am confident that it has mixed in thoroughly. Don't worry if it looks a bit watery, guys, just like the other soaps and detergents that we have made. Over time, as it settles, it's going to get thicker and more gel-like. So the next thing we are going to put is the color. Okay, once you're confident that the water has thoroughly mixed in, let's go to our color. Again, just a little. I like mine to be a bit see-through, not too thick, not too opaque. And you know guys, what you can do, because we use only so little of this color, you can actually keep it, and then the next time you go to buy, whether it's the liquid detergent or hand wash, you can skip buying it at the shop, okay? And then you just come and use the one you already have. Save yourself some 30 bob there, 20 bob, or something like that, because every little helps, guys. So make sure you've mixed in the color thoroughly. I'm very happy with how light it is. It's a nice light green. It looks really nice. I like it. So it's just being a bit of very little lumps, which I'm trying to get out. Okay, that's fantastic. And then the last thing we are going to put in is the perfume. Really easy, guys. So mixing the it literally just smells like the way the salon smells, guys. And there we have it. For the directions of where to buy the ingredients, guys, it's still in the same shop at OTC Tuskys, okay? Yeah. If you watch the video on how to make the liquid detergent or the softener, there are more detailed directions, okay? But it's just at OTC in town. When you go to Tuskys supermarket, just ask the guard there at the entrance of Tuskys place to buy sabun, and he'll direct you. All right. So I'll let it just settle down overnight, and then I'll put it in my container tomorrow and label it. Don't forget to label those containers, guys. Ama utajipata umeosha nini, umefua nguo na shampoo. You know? There we have it. Easy like Sunday morning. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to check out the videos on how to make the liquid detergent and softener and hand wash and all that, guys. We have such great things. I will link them down below, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.